All right, this hand is already done. We're gonna do this one. I have to say it's extremely easy, easier than I thought. Gonna have this on hand. This is in case I make a mistake. This is to degrease my nails. We're gonna do the color Red Cherry. And this is the vitamin base coat, top coat. And here is the light. It's very easy. It's so simple. It says base, it's a minute, color a minute, top coat 2 minutes. It couldn't be easier. All right, so first off, I'm going to degrease. A couple of things I want to say while I'm doing this. These things smell amazing. So we're gonna degrease the nails. Try not to get anything near your cuticles, on your actual skin. Because from what I've seen in videos, it's just not good. You want to avoid that because you're curing this, so you don't want to get that into your skin. Okay. All right, let's go with the base. Thin coats. This formula is pretty, like, I don't want to say it's thick. You'll see. It like this, that's pretty thin. All right, so what I do, or what I did, is I did a light little coat on each finger. I would say dip the brush after the second finger because you want a nice even coat. The first time I did that, I didn't really do that, and then I kind of messed up a corner. But you can definitely layer, like the color especially. Also make sure you don't have anything on your nail. I have like a, shoot. Of course, on the one I'm filming, there's like a cotton or something in my nail. The first time everything went perfect. This time it did not. All right, so I have that, like I said, have that nearby. That's a nail polish remover in case you make a mistake. Rookie mistake on my end was I'm using cotton pads and that has little lint on it. All right, back to the base coat. So the cool thing about the LED is that it actually does it pretty quick. The thing that's gonna take the longest is just applying the color and the base coat and everything to your hands, and it doesn't even take that long, to be honest. Just wanna make sure I'm in frame, cool. I wanted to do one hand so that I didn't bore you guys. And the last. So everything pretty much applies nice and even. Also, this is the first time I do gel nails, so I don't know exactly what I can compare it to. I know my daughter had gotten her nails done a while. Okay, we're gonna put this here. Just gonna put the like that, and it was like kind of tilting my thumb so that it's flat like the other ones. My daughter had gotten her nails done a couple of years ago, and she said that when she put her hand in the light, it kind of burned, which I was like, oh, that's not good. This doesn't feel hot. It feels like slightly warm, but not anything that I'm like, oh my god, I can't do this. I was always afraid of doing gel nails too, because I didn't want to like burn myself, and I don't know, but I wanted to try this out, and I'm super grateful that they sent this to me. And I had said to them, I'm like, okay, I think I'm ready to try gel nails, and I feel like your nail polish is not gonna like mess up my nails. I see horror stories and how people's nails get really thin. That's always deterred me from doing gel nails, so we'll see. One of the things that they say is that it lasts like 10 days, so that's cool. So see, that first is cured. Time for the color. This you don't want to apply too much. So see how that's like a little bit thick? You want less than that. I ended up doing 2 coats on my right hand, so I will be doing 2 coats on this hand as well. Leave a little space by the cuticle so you don't get color on your finger. This is a really pretty, vibrant red. Oh, and every time you do a layer of something, like I did the base, and I'm going to do the color, you have to cure it. And even between the two colors, like layer one color, I'm going to cure, and then when I do the other one, I'm going to also cure it again. I'm like all up in my nails so I can see what I'm doing. So I don't have the best angle, but I wanted to share this with you guys. So this is me in editing right now. I'm gonna forward some of this because in the footage, my head is in the shot. I can't see that well, so I have to be really close to my nail. So if it's forwarded or edited, that's why. Right, so I have this here, and I have like an eyeliner brush that I use for this part. So here, I'm gonna clean this up, and it cleans it up almost immediately. And it doesn't smell bad, it actually smells really good. Like a clean, gentle, kind of floral scent. I'm so sorry. I hope that you guys can see that I'm in frame. All right, so that looks good. Let's cure this. All right, so that is the first cure, and like it looks good. And it's dry. Gonna do a second coat, and then come back and cure it. All right, last step is the top coat. And this, we're just gonna do a nice little coat. This one gets cured for 2 minutes, and the little lamplight lets you know that it's 2 minutes. Okay. So really you're just, oops, that was a lot on that one. You're just really applying this almost like a regular nail polish. Like I said, I've always been intimidated to do the gel nails, but this is super easy. It's like doing your nail polish like regular and then throwing it under a lamp and just curing it way faster. And I'm just gonna clean some of that off. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna cure it one last time. All right, so this is the final result. This is what it looks like. All right, so here, it got a little bit funny. And just a tiny bit on my thumb. And I think it's because I was talking and doing it, because this hand I had done first without recording, and it's smooth. So what I will say is I love it, actually. I think it's really pretty. I think the shine is amazing. Had I not been speaking while I was doing this side, it would have been a lot smoother. I'm okay with that though. Maybe I'll fix it. But very easy. If you can paint your nails, you can definitely use this product. Just don't film yourself while you're doing it so you don't mess it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.